What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about mining, and I will show you a website that is valuable in terms of computing how much expenses you can expect as well as how much profit you could expect out of your investment. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so in this video, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining, and just like what it says here, we are in Investopedia guys. This is a good website for learning what cryptocurrency is. So what is Bitcoin mining? It is the process by which transactions are verified into the blockchain, and it can also be a way to get new Bitcoins. All right. So now there are two primary methods of mining, guys. Number one is proof of work, otherwise known as POW, and the other one is proof of stake, which is the POS. Now, POW, guys, or the proof of work, relies on solving complex mathematical puzzles, while the POS involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency, just like staking. All right. And if you are not new with cryptocurrency, I'm sure you know what staking is. If you are new with the cryptocurrency market, guys, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out our channel. We created a video that talks about staking. So that is one way on earning passive income in the cryptocurrency space. Now, for you to start mining in the cryptocurrency space, guys, you will need different components such as the CPUs or the computer processing units, the GPUs or the graphics card, ASICs, and FPGA. And you could also go ahead and check out online or cloud mining as well. So that is also a possible option. But for this video, guys, let me go ahead and show you whattomine.com. So this is a very good website that will definitely help you out in terms of, knowing. So what are the graphics card that you have there? You have the 3070, 6900 XT. These are different graphics card. You also have the ASIC here. So let me go ahead and click on that one. All right, and then you have the coins, of course. So you have that. All right, you have Bitcoin, you have Bitcoin, of course, and a lot of other different coins in the crypto market space. Okay, now let me go ahead and head on back to the GPU for the example, for today's example. All right, now here you could go ahead and enter how many graphics card, like say for example, for 3070, how many graphics card are you going to use for that 3070? Let's change it to 3. And as you can see, guys, the numbers changed automatically. That's how neat that one is. It's just instantaneous, guys. So you could go ahead and enable these as well, and the numbers will change. So depending on the component that you are going to be using for your mining rigs, you can compute that here. And the best part is that you could put how much dollars it is per kilowatt hour. That way it will help you compute how much the electricity cost would be. And here are some of the cryptocurrency and the block time, the difficulty net hash, the estimated rewards that you could get. All right. And then the exchange rate, it's here already. And you could go ahead and click on that. What it's going to do is it's going to take you to the CoinEx and show you the graph of the actual cryptocurrency token. All right. Now, you also have the market cap volume. You have the revenue in Bitcoin, revenue in 24 hours. And then the dollar profit and the profitability current 24 hours, 3 days, and 7 days as well. You would see here how much percentage you can get out of your mining activities. All right. It is actually very profitable to, start off a mining rig, but it also involves a lot of investment, just like anything else. So if you are like a trader, you also invest in buying and selling tokens. And if you are planning to be a miner, you also would need to invest in your mining rig. Just like what I mentioned earlier, you need CPUs, you need GPUs, you need ASICs, and other components that will help you start off your business as a cryptocurrency miner. And guys, stay until the end screen videos. I'm sure those videos will definitely be helpful in your cryptocurrency journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.